Rejuvenate by strengthening your telomeres. These structures made of DNA and proteins are at the end of chromosomes in human cells. They are vital for the chromosome's stability, protecting them during cell replication, the body's fountain of youth. To maximize your telomeres, listen to this several times. We'll strengthen protein receptors inside cell membranes. We'll also fortify the DNA's non-coding extensions, the telomeres, making them resistant to enzyme degradation and preventing the DNA double helix from unraveling. We'll amplify telomeres so they can be copied without losing genetic data during each cell replication. The DNA enzyme telomerase will be bolstered to duplicate DNA molecules. We eliminate the physical limitations that prevent you from reading and copying a small stretch of DNA. We strengthen the terminal end of the DNA strand. We enhance the size of the DNA to maintain its original version size at each cell replication. We eliminate aging, depression, and disease as a result of DNA reduction at each replication. We bolster the DNA as a double helix. We reinforce its center, balance, and stability, strong enough to prevent DNA from unraveling and being destroyed by enzymes. Strengthen the telomeres to act as a mechanism that prevents DNA from unwinding. Strengthen the telomeres to keep the strands of a DNA together. Strengthen to prevent them from unwinding and deteriorating. Strengthen the telomeres to cut DNA each time it is copied without affecting genetic programs. We boost genetic programs so that they are more functional, have strength, endurance, coordination, speed, agility, and flexibility. We boost cell division by up to 60 times and even beyond to keep your telomeres intact. We enhance strength, endurance, speed, agility, flexibility, and coordination in the telomeres. We bolster telomeres to extend the length of the telomeres. The potential of telomeres to extend human life is substantial. We eliminate all things that prevents, limits, delays, inhibits, and blocks the inhibition of telomerase enzymes. We do away with the cumulative effect of poor nutrition. We remove the cumulative effect of child abuse. We get rid of the cumulative effect of domestic violence. We eliminate the cumulative effect of post-traumatic stress disorders. We remove the cumulative effect of lack of self-love. We remove the cumulative effect of loss of love and hope. We erase the cumulative effect of the lack of a life purpose that has contributed to the shortening of telomeres. We eliminate the cumulative effect of not being happy, not living with gratitude, and not valuing what you have. Strong is the desire, need, and longing to be happy. Strong is feeling gratitude and valuing everything you have so that youth can be restored through it. We strengthen the quality of telomerase through good, conscious, and informed nutrition. Strong to want to feel happiness, neutrality, gratitude, self-love, love of others, and appreciation. Strong to have a life purpose that is clear, defined, and objective, which allows telomeres to extend and thus accelerates the rejuvenation process. Strong to live each day with love for life, love for yourself, and love for others. Strong to generate gratitude, strong to value the strengthening aspects of your life so that all of it activates telomerase, which allows stem cells to replicate more frequently. Strong to prolong health and strong to want to have a good quality of life. Strong against reversing aging caused by low self-esteem, discouragement, apathy, frustration, and anger. strong to rejuvenate through joy, gratitude, self-worth, and empowerment. Strong circulatory system to carry the body's blood with the energy of joy, satisfaction, desire, and will. We strengthen the blood and all its components to rejuvenate. We strengthen the receptors on the outer surface of the cell. Strong telomeres protect the integrity of DNA. Strong to act as plugs at the ends of chromosomes. We decrease degeneration and increase the regeneration of DNA cells and telomeres. We increase the size of telomeres in each division and strengthen them to ensure genetic information remains stable in each cell division. Strong telomeres to maintain genomic stability. Strong to prevent information loss during DNA replication. Strong telomeres regulate DNA replication. Strong to control when and how it doubles during the cell cycle. Strong to maintain genome copying accuracy. Strong to prevent activation of cellular responses to DNA damage. We eliminate the interpretation of DNA damage in cells when telomeres are shortened. We eliminate triggering cellular responses. We eliminate damaged cells' reproduction and strengthen them for elimination through the lymphatic system. We will increase cells' ability to divide and continue functioning properly. We will reduce cellular aging and increase rejuvenation in each cell. We will strengthen stem cells for self-replication. Strong to functionally relate to the planet and other beings as well as yourself. Strong to achieve a very healthy, empowering, and invigorating lifestyle. We strengthen awareness, commitment, and adequate information for you to take responsibility for your health. Strong for longevity. Strong for beauty. Strong for youth. Strong for agility, strength, stamina, speed, coordination, and flexibility of cells, telomeres, and telomerase enzymes. We're going to make you strong so that it is the same, not the same, different, not different, perception, not perception, change, not change. Strong to accept, admit, and acknowledge youth. We will strengthen the central nervous system, the spinal cord, sacrum, tailbone, and tail. We strengthen the right hemisphere, the left hemisphere, and the middle sulcus. We strengthen the fear of aging, the fear of getting sick, and the fear of dying, yours and not yours, to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with finite time. We eliminate the cumulative effect of emotions, sensations, and reactions that age, disharmonize, and stall your progress. We strengthen neutrons, protons, and electrons. We increase electrons to optimal levels and decrease protons to optimal levels. Strong for all things positive, neutral, negative, and non-negative. We eliminate the damage caused by everything that affects, disgusts, disturbs, annoys, and worries you. We remove the mind from all of this. We remove the mind from your body. We eliminate the mind from your youth and remove the resistance to leaving you, your micro and macro body, and send it to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, and energy black holes, and tasting the universe and other unknown places. We're going to strengthen the internal dynamics, external dynamics, internal limits, external limits, and the vertices of the cells, telomeres, DNA, and you at a general level. We strengthen 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to erase anything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks you from rejuvenating. Do negative infinite minus 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? Are you the same or different?